Hey kids, it's Mrs. Compton and it's Chip. Please don't yawn today. My goodness, do you remember on Monday and he was just like, so tired for his lesson. Uh-oh. Okay. All right, today, instead of a number talk, I think today let's do a mystery number. That would be fun. It's Fun Friday. Right, Chippy? Chippy. All right, so let's check out our clues. What do we have here? Mystery number. We're going to try to find a number that matches all of these clues. So here we go. I am between 35 plus 35 and 100 plus 20. This number is also, I am odd. The digit in my ones place is 2 more than the digit in my tens place. The sum of my two digits, he just yawned again. You guys. The sum of my two digits is equal to 20 minus 4. Okay, I don't even know what number it is yet. I have to think about it. What I did bring as a tool is my 120 chart. Now, kids, guess what? Of all the things, I don't have a printer. So it's not a problem if you don't have a printer. I made my own 120 chart. So check this out. You can make your own 120 chart too, and then put it in a Ziploc baggie, and then you can use your whiteboard marker on it. It's such a cool trick. All right, so let's check this out. The first clue says I'm between 35 plus 35 and 100 plus 20. Okay, so we have to solve those first. Okay, so let's think about what that would be. Are you thinking, Chip? Are you thinking? Okay, I'm going to guess you said 35 plus 35 is 70. And I'm going to guess you knew 30 plus 30 was 60, and 5 plus 5 is 10. And 60 plus 10 makes 70. And I'm going to guess that you knew this would be a 120. Okay, so that means on our 120 chart, all the numbers prior, before 70, can't be it. So I bet some of you are like, I'm going to cross off all the numbers on my 120 chart that are between 0 and 69. Can we cross off 70? Oh, maybe we can. It says it's between 70 and 120. Wow. Okay, so let's check this out. Chip is going to go take a nap, and I'm going to cross off all my numbers. Okay. What should we do next, class? Make sure you're doing this too. You can take your time to pause if you need more think time. Of course you do. All right, so I'm going to put my check there. I know I've crossed off everything between 35 plus 35 and 100 plus 20. I mean, I've crossed off everything that wouldn't fall between us. Okay. What shall I do next? Which one do you want me to do next? You just want me to do the I am odd one? All right, yell yes if that's the one you want me to do. Okay, I heard yeses and no's, so I'm just going to do it. All right. So I'm going to take my 120 chart. And when I'm thinking about odds and evens, I always think about socks. You guys, I don't know about you, but some of my socks never find their pairs, and then they're the odd man out, right? So I'm always thinking about socks. So one sock is odd. 2 socks make a pair, so it's even. 3 socks would be odd. It doesn't have a pair. 4 socks would be even. It has a pair, and so on, right? So my brain just goes to socks. What does your brain go to when you're thinking about ovens? Ovens? Oh my gosh, I made up a new word. evens and odds. All right, so maybe we're using our 120 chart, and maybe you thought, oh, I can cross off all of the numbers that are odd. So which ones would you cross off? All of the ones that have a digit in the ones place will be odd. And all of the digits that have a 2 in the ones place will be even. So I want to keep the odd ones. Okay, so I'm crossing off my even numbers. So I'm going to cross off everything that has a 2 in the ones place. Okay, 3, we know 3 made an odd number, so we've got to keep 3 and 13 and 23, so on. Anything with a 3 in the ones place. So now we can just cross off the 4. 5's odd, so I'm going to go to 6. Cross off anything that has 6 in the ones place. 7 is odd. Think about that. Okay, so 8 is even, so I'm going to cross off all the numbers that have 8 in the ones place. All right, 9 is odd. Do you see a pattern here? What do you notice? Ooh, there we go. What do you notice? Tell me what you notice in the comments. Is there a pattern that you've seen? Okay. And the last one, I know 10 is even, so I'm going to cross off all the multiples of 10. All right, I'm happy with that, so I'm going to put a check right there. I am odd. I know I've kept all of my odd numbers. All right, let's check out the next part. The digit in my ones place is 2 more than the digit in my tens place. That had a lot of words. I have to really think about that again. Okay, hold on. I'm going to write out. Ooh, that's pretty green, and I think you can see it. Okay, so ones, tens. Okay, the digit in my ones place is 2 more. Okay, so this one is the digit in the ones place is going to be 2 more than the digit in the tens place. Okay, so we know, could this number work? Would 12 follow just this clue? Let's see. Is the digit in the ones place 2 more than the digit in the tens place? Well, 1 plus 2 makes 3, so that doesn't follow that rule. We'd have to change it to, let's see, 13. So let's see. Is this digit 2 more than that digit? Now the answer is yes, because 1 plus 2 makes 3. Okay, so it could be 13, but then guess what? 13's already knocked off the list because it doesn't match our first clue. So it can't be that one, but it follows this clue. But we know it's not going to be that. All right, so let's see here. It's time to start looking and crossing off. I have to bring my hundreds chart closer. Ooh, maybe I will clip it onto this. Oh, I like this idea. Look at me. I'm always thinking about good ideas. Okay, so here we go. Ooh, can you see it? Is it shiny? It's moving too much. Ah! Okay, so let's see. That doesn't match the clue because the digit in this place is more than that one. So that one's out. Same for that one. Well, it could be this one, 79, because 9 is 2 more than 7. So let's keep that one. Okay, so I'm going to cross this one out because 1 is less than 8, so it can't be that. Same. Can't be that one. Doesn't say anything about a hundredths place. I wonder if this is just a 2-digit number. All right, so let's see though. We still have to check out the ones and the tens. So, nope. Not 2 more. Not 2 more. Wow. I wonder if 79 was it. I'm going to keep going though. Ooh, wait. Could be 113 because the digit in the ones place is 2 more than the digit in the tens place because 1 plus 2 makes 3. So it could be that one. Can't be that one or that one. Okay, we only have 2 numbers left. So let's check it out. Let's look at the last clue. So far we have the number 79 and we have the number 113. And we have to decide between the 2 of those numbers which one is the winner. Okay, so let's see. The sum of my 2 digits is equal to 20 minus 4. Whew. Okay, so what is 20 minus 4? Okay, on the count of 3, tell me. 1, 2, 3, tell me. You're right, 16. Who's got a different color? Me. Orange. By the way, orange is my favorite color. 20 minus 4 equals 16. The sum of my 2 digits is equal to 20 minus 4. All right, so we are going to try on 79. And we are going to try on 113 with this clue because where'd I go? Those are the only 2 numbers that were left. Okay, so let's see here. We need the sum of the 2 digits, 7 plus 9 to equal 16. Or, I just saw something. It says 2 digits. So I think we just found our winner because this one has 1, 2, 3 digits. So let's check it out. Let's see. Is the sum of 7 plus 9 equal to 16? All right. 7 plus 9? Well, I know that's the same as stealing 1 from the 7 and making a 10. 10 plus 6 is 16. We have found our answer. Our answer is 79. Good job, kids. I hope you did it along with me, and I hope you have a 120 chart. Okay, it's time to say hello to somebody. Are you ready? Here it comes. This person is in Mrs. Barney's class. So we're going to say hi to Mrs. Barney's class. Hi, Mrs. Barney and her class. And, they are at Penny Camp. And we are going to say hi to, you ready for it? Stella. Hi, Stella. It's nice to see you on here. I wish I could actually see your face, Stella. But Stella has a little sister. And we are going to read a story about Stella and her little sister. All about blocks. Stella was playing blocks with her little sister, Sadie. Stella had blocks. Then Stella shared blocks with her sister. Okay, so imagine that. We've got Stella and we've got Sadie. Stella has some blocks. Then Sadie comes along and she shares some blocks with Sadie. What a nice sister you are, Stella. Then Stella shares some blocks with her sister. How many blocks does Stella have left? So we know for sure that Stella started with some, and then Stella shared some with her sister, and we're trying to figure out how many Stella has left. Are you ready to see your just right number set? All right, here we go. I got my pink Post-it notes ready. 20 and 13, 50 and 13, or 120 and 43 are our number sets. Now, let's try it out with 20 and 13. Don't forget, kids, This is not a number talk. You can use math tools to help you solve, right? So imagine that Stella had 20 blocks. Whoop. Then Stella shared 13 blocks with her sister. We're trying to figure out how many blocks she has left. All right, kids, are you ready? It's time for you to solve. So check in with your teacher and see how she wants you to turn this work into her. Talk to you next time. Bye.